When you get started with the CDS-100 dental training system, a welcome sign and the company's name will be shown on the opening screen. You may click anywhere on the screen to proceed to the next step. Here is the login screen. In addition to the real keyboard equipped with the CDS-100 training system, we also provide a virtual keyboard for you. To enter the letters, use the mouse. When you enter the main menu, you will see 4 major sessions: the lesson, the practice, the assignment, and the previous record section. The lesson screen contains the course and lesson field. We provide 3 main courses: the crown, the cavity, and the endodontics. If you define the course in a cavity category, a drop-down list consisting of 6 lessons will be displayed. Once a specific lesson has been chosen, information defined for the lesson will be shown. It includes the case's detailed lecture that is defined by the instructors and consists of indications, criteria, special consideration for the lesson, and step-by-step procedure description. It also provides the information for the recommended burrs in each of the following steps. Patient information tells you the patient's chief complaint. The visual and X-ray findings, the diagnosis, as well as the treatment plan. In the work environment, you can adjust the environment to the next operation. Afterwards, to make sure of the work environment, start the clinic. The 3D virtual simulation of the patient's head can turn to any angle you wish to see. The standard tooth of the lesson is located in the middle, where you can see your preparation work in real time. It can rotate or zoom in and out for better vision. The display of the optimal tooth model allows users to view and compare their preparation as they work. The case information contains the doctor's diagnosis and treatment plan for the user's reference. An X-ray of the case is described. When using the procedure button, an animation of each of the case's preparatory steps will be displayed. The burr selecting button enables users to choose the burr, with which they will perform the lesson according to the burr's shape and name. If a 4-tooth calibration does not meet with the accuracy of the preparation, the administrator can calibrate each single tooth for better accuracy. When users make sure the identification field on the top of the screen is correct and choose the exact burr they wish to use, they may start the clinic. The 3D virtual simulated patient's head with a virtual handpiece It simulates the movements of user's preparation as it is performed. The real-time display reflects the preparation in progress and changes when the tooth structure is removed during the user's performance. The yellow part displayed on the tooth means dentin. And we also built up crown lessons inside the software. As you can see, it also can be performed in real time. Enter a previous session to review sessions that were previously performed. You can replay the preparations with the evaluation, analysis, and mistakes in this session. You can also adjust the work environment. The same with the tooth angle. Click the Start button, or drag the cursor to review the preparation. Move to the Evaluation button. The evaluation is defined by different sections. Through the section, red, green, and orange layers represent the outline form of the original tooth, the prepared tooth, and the optimal tooth respectively. The distance cross of two evaluation points of the layers will also be shown, and it will be the standard for defining the scores. Two kinds of color layers will also be provided for comparison. Other than a standard evaluation, you can also evaluate the student's performance by dimensional measurement on a 2D cross-section or select a cross-section of a 3D model and conduct a 3D model deviation analysis to judge how students perform. In management, you can define the instructor and the student from who may operate the course. Review the existing course data. In the lesson function page, one can designate the lesson's valid date, duration time, and the limitation times of submission. Setting up the work environment. In the instructor page, you can look over the information and password changes of every instructor in the instructor function. You can edit the student's personal data as well. In the settings screen, you can select different languages. Calibration function, and left or right hand sides to match your hand orientation. Here is a user-friendly calibrating interface. Follow the screen instructions and touch the calibration points in order with the specific burr. The entire calibrating procedure only takes 1 to 3 minutes. Calibration is not required every time if you only replace a single tooth, but you can recalibrate if you think it is inaccurate. The position of the tracking unit can be adjusted on the software interface to ensure the most effective tracking with the highest precision.